What is going on, guys? So I've been having some technical difficulties with this camera working, but we've got the head on, new piston, about to work on this cam chain and putting the cams in. So stay tuned. I've been having nothing but problems out of these damn GoPros. So anyways, here's the build. Already got mostly everything put back on it. Getting ready to fire it up.
Take you to a gay bar.
Just go get the hose.
I need you to put down a changing, not a changing pad, a towel on his changing pad.
We interrupt this program for this blowout. Ah! That was bad. Almost threw up. Yeah, that was bad. Don't do it. Make any grown man drink. Can you get PTSD from a blowout? Here's our first attempt of startup after the rebuild. Quick little update. I didn't install the cam tensioner correctly. So whenever I went to start it up, it threw the timing all out of whack. So I just reset the timing, about to put the tensioner in the correct way and try it again. What's up, Mask? We're back with the build. Gonna put the cams in, time it. Had a problem last time and I broke a bolt off in the fucking head like an idiot. So guess what? We got that torque wrench. So we ain't gonna do this shit again. Let's make shit happen, baby. Didn't video it, but got some freshy grips. Some tapers. Got that clamp on. Let's get this bitch running.
To a gay bar. I wanna take you to a gay bar, gay bar, gay bar. Let's start a war. Start a nuclear war. At the gay bar, gay bar, gay bar. Wow! At the gay bar. Now tell me, do you have
So here's how you time a bike. You've got a mark down in here. You can't see it. Anyways, you got a mark here, and a mark there, and a mark inside. You gotta line all of those up. Whenever all those line up, you should have that dot even with this case, that dot dead center, that dot dead center, and that dot on the case. And according to your bike, there's going to be different links in between. On this bike it's 15 links, so you can count 15 dot to dot, and that's how you time a bike. Get that first start, baby. It's always good to put your plugs in. brother man. Well, she fires up. That's gonna be it for this video. Stay tuned. The next one I'm gonna be troubleshooting, finding these leaks that are coming up, and getting this thing tuned up. So until then, stay drunk.